Okay, we're on the second problem. What they tell me, the sixth term, I'll write this over here, A6, and that's 4/27s. And they tell me the 11th term, that's A11, and this is geometric, by the way, is minus 128 over 6/5/6/1. Okay, what do they want? They want the third term. And to get the third term, it would be nice to know A1 and R. So what I want to write down is I want to write down 4/27s, that's a sixth term, by the way, is equal to A1 times R to the fifth power. And A11, which is minus 128 over 6/5/6/1, is equal to A1 times R to the 10th power. Then what am I going to do? I need to figure out what A1 is and what R is, and I think these equations will lead to it. Two equations, two unknown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide. And let me put on what I'm going to divide by. So I'm going to take this equation here and divide it by this one. And it doesn't look that bad, although the arithmetic might be difficult. Let's write this down. So what do you get? You would get A1 R10, and I'm divided by the other equation, so that'd be A1 R5. This simplifies really nicely just to R5, all right? The other side's a little more difficult, though. And I'll write it down for you. It's minus 128 over 6/5/6/1. And when you're dividing by 4/27s, it's like multiplying by 27 quarters, all right? So I'm going to say it doesn't look that bad to do. You know, I know it's a negative number, and 4 goes into 128 32 times. And now I got another problem. I got to do 27. It's kind of annoying, right? You can use calculator. 6/5/6/1. Well, let's see. 2. 2 times 27 is going to be 54, right? Let's see. At 54, subtract. You get 11. That's not so bad. And then a 6. I'm going to say 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 10. Well, that's not bad. And then you get 81, and that would be 3. So what do you have there? 243. Well, looking at the R is not that bad. What's the R going to be? R, well, that would be minus 2. And the root of that minus 2 to the fifth power is minus 32. And then 3 to the fifth power is 243. So I know my R. The question is, do you know what A1 is? Well, I'm going to use an easy equation to figure it out. I'll use this one over here. So what do you get? 4/27s equals A1 times, well, I got to do that now. And I think it's not too difficult to do. I think we just did it, right? So it's really minus 32 over 243. All right, let's see if we can do that. Write A1 down now. A1 is going to be minus 4/27s times 243 over 32. Well, it's not too bad. I know it's a negative number. And let me just do this reduction. And 4 goes into 32 8 times. And 27 goes into 243. Let's see. Brain freeze for a second here. Let me just see if I can do that. 27 into 243. Did I make a mistake somewhere? 9, 180. Yeah, 9. What am I saying? Let's just see if that's true. 9 times 2 is 180. And that, yeah, I'm sorry, I had brain freeze there. Minus 9/8. So then the question is, what was their question? Let's go back and read it. And they want the third term. Well, that's pretty easy. So A3 would equal A1, which is minus 9/8, times R. What's R? Minus 2/3. That would be squared, right? Wow, let's do it. A3. And what are you going to get? Well, you definitely get a negative number. You get 9/8 times 4/9. So A3 will be minus 1/2. We did a good job. Thank you.